Have you ever tried your absolute best and still lost everything? Noah had, twice. And tonight, sitting in his empty apartment, he made a decision. He would stop trying. Noah was 25 years old. He had a dream, not a small dream, a big one. He wanted to build something that mattered. His first business, gone, after 2 years of hard work. His second business, gone, after 1 year of savings. Now he had nothing left. No money, no plan, no hope. He sat in the dark and whispered to himself, "Maybe I'm just not meant for this." The next morning, Noah walked outside. He didn't know where he was going. He just needed air. That's when he saw his neighbor, Mr. Harris. Mr. Harris was 80 years old, quiet, gentle, kind. Every single morning, Noah had seen him in that garden, kneeling, working, tending. But the garden was always empty. Just dark, soft soil. No flowers, no vegetables, nothing growing. That morning, something made Noah stop. "Mr. Harris," he called out, "can I ask you something?" The old man looked up. His eyes were warm. "Of course," he said. Noah pointed to the empty ground. "Why do you come here every day if nothing ever grows?" Mr. Harris smiled. He reached down and picked up a handful of dark soil. He let it fall, slowly, through his fingers. Then he said something Noah never forgot. "A seed that falls on prepared ground can grow into a forest. But a seed that falls on unprepared ground, even the best seed with the best dream behind it, becomes nothing." Noah frowned. "But there's nothing here. It looks completely empty." Mr. Harris nodded slowly. "Yes, it looks empty, but it isn't. For 6 months, I have been turning this soil, feeding it, watering it, removing every stone. When the right seed comes, the ground will be ready. Most people want to plant before they prepare. Then they wonder why nothing grows." Noah walked home in silence. He sat down and closed his eyes. His first business, he had learned how to build something from nothing. His second business, he had learned how to understand people. He had thought he was failing, but all along, he was being prepared. Nothing was growing because it wasn't time yet. The ground was ready. He just hadn't seen it that way. That week, Noah opened his laptop again. This time, not with a desperate dream, but with everything his 2 failures had quietly taught him. 12 months later, his third company was growing. Not because he was lucky, but because the ground was ready. If you are struggling right now, if every door seems closed, if you feel like nothing is growing in your life, maybe you are not failing. Maybe you are being prepared. The empty garden is not a dead garden. It is a garden quietly getting ready for something beautiful. Don't stop tending to it.